In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you get the digital coupons for Dollar General. Let's get started. First, download the official Dollar General app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit Dollar General website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and phone number. Once you are logged in, tap on the digital coupon section to view all the current offers available. Browse through the coupons and tap clip or the plus icon next to any offer you would like to save. The coupon will automatically be added to your account and will be ready to use on eligible purchases. Before shopping, make sure to read the coupon details, including the expiration date and any product or quantity requirements. When you are checking out in a Dollar General store, enter the phone number linked to your account at the register so your clipped coupons can be applied automatically to qualifying items. If you're shopping online, sign in with the same account and eligible digital coupons will be applied during checkout when the offer conditions are met. So that's it. This is how you can easily get digital coupons for Dollar General. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.